So check this out. We still have no power with the Hurricane Milton and flooding, and so, but we're okay. We're doing good. But with no power, I had a great idea. We're gonna do a barbecue out here on the deck. I should have gotten really a barbecue, but this is a makeshift barbecue, kind of like a zombie apocalypse barbecue. I'm gonna show you how this works, and we're gonna have an interesting dinner. You're gonna see. So check this out. We got a nice little fire going here. And I'm going to pull this away from the door a little bit. And we're going to start a little cookout here. Let's check this out. So there we go. Check this out. We got hot dogs on there, carrots and some rice. And a little bit of a crazy barbecue going on here. But I think it's going to work. So let's check this out. You'll see our progress as we go. A simple meal during Hurricane Milton with no power. Sarasota style, Brooklyn style. And by the way, we got the most beautiful sunsets here in Sarasota. We got one going on now, even though you'll see little remnants of the screen here. But thankfully, there's no no-see-ums out tonight. The fire should keep them away, but there's a little sunset. And back to this. We got to flip these over a little bit, maybe. Look at those hot dogs cooking like Nathan style. All those years living in Brooklyn, going to Coney Island a million times. Got those Nathan's hot dogs going. Look at that. It's a little wild, but we're okay here. If my family's watching this, my birthday, as you all know, is December 24th. Might be a good idea to buy me a little barbecue. I think that'll work out for the future hurricanes. Just saying, just a little hint. Look at this. We got that sizzle going on, that Nathan sizzle. And we got some healthy carrots and some healthy rice in there. And I'll top it off with some healthy Coca-Cola. All the while celebrating the Mets win. Go Francisco Lindor, my favorite Mets player. He should get the MVP, but I know he won't. But he's got the MVP in our hearts. Mets are moving on to play either San Diego or Los Angeles. We know we're going to California. One more step away from the World Series. Maybe it'll be the Subway Series this year. Who knows? So look at this. It's cooking. It's cooking. So here we go. So the fire is, subsided because we had those bricks or the they light up on their own. And we're down to a nice sizzle here. You can see the hot dogs now are getting a nice coloring on them. I'm a little slower than a regular barbecue, but look at that. It's shaping up into something. You can see the rice is, I like stuff well done, but you can see the rice is getting that nice little cooked side to it. And like I said, the hot dogs, you see right there, they're getting cooked. So we're going to continue on with this. So look at that. The charcoal makes a nice little glow underneath there. I put a pizza pan over the top of it. Talk about Macgyvering it, right? But I think it's going to be good. But it's you can see the smoke going up over there. And nice little orange glow underneath with those charcoal bricks. So, yeah, be an interesting dinner. Wouldn't be the worst dinner I've ever had, that's for sure. So here you go. Here's the finished product. Hot dogs nice and well done. I mean, like I said, not the best meal I've ever had, but certainly not the worst.
Bad.
What do you think?
Not bad.
Right? Not bad for a Macgyver job.
Very good.
All right, well, have fun watching that. And look what we got here. We got some little flashlights and stuff, but... well, we're dealing with it the best way we can. Love you guys. I want to thank you guys for joining us, guys and girls. Hope everyone's safe out there. Love you. Thanks for worrying about us. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video. This is Alan Kerry signing off. Bye-bye.